Welcome back to the channel, friends. On today's video, I'm going to be demoing an Archer Australia chain. And this goes on my 36-inch bar on my Stihl MS661. And I purchased these, I see them all over. I decided to give them a whirl because they're actually half the price. I got two of these shipped to my door for like 50 bucks. So 25 bucks a chain isn't bad for 114 drive lengths, 36-inch bar. That's a good price, especially since if you go to the dealer, you're gonna pay, you know, $50 to $55 for the same exact chain. So, and I usually get about 5 to 6 slabs out of each chain before I have to resharpen and then go from there. So if I can get 5 to 6 slabs out of this chain, I'll be twice as far ahead because I paid half the price. So we're gonna throw it on the saw. We're gonna throw the mill on real quick. I have this for stickering the slabs, and I got this cherry that's got the top cut off of it. I got this maple that's got the top cut off of it. Actually, I think I got a couple slabs out of that one already. And then 2 or 3 other smaller logs over here that I'm probably going to take the top cut off of those logs, and then I'll adjust my mill to 2 inches, and I'll take the rest of them off, so we'll have all 2 inch, 2 inch or a little over 2 inch thick slabs, and then we'll stack them all up or sticker them. That'll be another video. I'll show how I sticker everything up and so it dries properly, make sure everything's good and level. So, but let's throw this Archer chain on real quick and see where we get. Okay, so I took 4 slabs off of that maple. It's pretty much done now. Stacked it up over there. It's a pretty wide piece, so 4 slabs pretty good on that one. It's still pretty sharp. I'm gonna try to get 2 slabs, maybe 3 slabs off this cherry. Check it, see where we're at, maybe sharpen it, and then finish off the rest of the logs. Alright guys, that's it for today. I got about 5 or 6 slabs out of this. I got about 3 more here in this cherry log, and I got to mill up the other ones. But this saw, the chain needs sharpening now. Archer chains, they're great chains. I get the same distance out of them I do the steel chains at half the price. So it does need to be sharpened now. As you can see, it's starting to make like really fine sawdust, which means it needs to be sharpened. So I'm going to take it back in there, sharpen it up, bring it back out, finish these logs off into slabs. That'll be tomorrow's video, because I'm going to show you how I sticker them, which is basically just a fancy word for stack them up with some like furring strip or some wood in between, so that it leaves enough room between the slabs so they air dry, so that you can make some awesome furniture with it, or tables or bar tops or whatever you want to make with this. So that's it for today. Archer chains, I will give it a stamp of approval here. So like always, guys, like the video so I know you like this kind of content. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit the notification bell so you're notified when all of the fresh videos hit the channel. Subscribe. I already said subscribe. Share the video, and we'll see you next time.